What amused me is
I don't know if they have one yet.
this tightening at the end.
Clippers, hog tie.
Yeah, we call it a hog tie.
Mm-hmm.
But these are machine made.
Yeah.
They just come out like,
I've seen those
Supposing
machines.
you did it on the normal oysters, does it work?
What's that?
Tightening at
Oh,
the
yeah, we used to hog tie.
Yeah, they used to use big straw bags.
We used to hog tie, and then when we went to a sterilized system, we actually stopped cutting and hog tying.
Why?
Just, it was a lot of work, and it didn't really. We could just turn the bag upside down. Remember, you saw the bag upside down?
You just turn the bag upside down.
Yeah, we cut it and turn it upside down, keep the air out. But this,
there is no air.
Okay.
These, I'm not sure how they're made. Are they just made?
Bro, they don't even breathe. Oh no, they have filters on them. I see. They have little filters. Do they have a filter on every hole, or is it
I think we cut it. I don't think you're supposed to cut it.
Okay.
We cut it because I think that's how we got them to pick better. But they come in with these 4 holes, I believe. I would imagine.
They have filters.
I guess it is sterilized.
Okay.
So when you get them, they're frozen. When you get them,
Yeah.
you thaw them out and then fruit them. You just open them as soon as you get them, or you let them.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm
I've
not
never seen
sure.
Chinese oyster. I didn't even know there was a thing.
It's as soon as we